Hi, we're going to do a little bit more work with partial products algorithm for multiplication. And to be specific, this is for everyday math, 3rd grade. And to be very specific, this is in-class help for page 220 for people who need some help in class and have access to this video. So we're going to start here with 68 times 2. With this algorithm, first we start and multiply 2 times the tens place, which would be 2 60s. And if you know that 2 times 6 is 12, then you know 2 times 60 is 120. So that's our first product, and we can write it right there. Then next we will do 2 8s. And again, hopefully your basic multiplication facts are already good, and we know 2 times 8 is 16. Then we just add those two products together. So 68 times 2 is 136 based upon our two partial products. Now, once you get good at this, you can eliminate this step. In the beginning, definitely do this so you can see your thinking and where the numbers come from. But once you're doing this in your head, you don't have to write it out. So this is what that would look like. I'm going to start by thinking 5 times 90. So 5 times 9 is 45, and 5 times 90 is 450. And then I do 5 6s, or 5 times 6, and that would be 30. And these are my two products, and now I can add them together. And I now know that 96 times 5 is 480. And once you get good, you can really do it that quickly. And we can try one that is 3 digits now. 3 digits times 1 digit. So I'll start with 5. In the hundreds place now would be 500. So 5 500s. That would give me 5 times 5 is 25. So 5 500s would be 2,500. And now I have a 0 in the tens place here. I know 5 times 0 is 0, so I could write that here, 5 zeros equals 0, but I think we can just get rid of that step because it's unnecessary if that number is going to be 0. So we'll move straight on to 5 8s. And you can think about that for a second, but hopefully you know that 5 8s is 40. And now everything is nicely lined up for us to do some addition. And we now know that 508 times 5 is 2,540. And what looks like maybe a really tough multiplication problem is a lot simpler using the partial products algorithm.